This is a 7-minute Tai Chi inspired walking workout for weight loss. So this is also going to be incredible for your mobility, your balance and your flexibility. And on those days when you haven't got much time, this is going to be your go-to workout. So if you're ready, let's get started. So let me show you a preview of the first move. We're going to start with doing these hamstring curls and just these big open out arm claps. So this is going to be move number one. Let's get ready and take the arms in front. Now open and close with the arms and just give me those knee bends. And this one is move number one, but it's also going to be a really good way to warm up your body, to help mobilize through your ankle, knee, hip, shoulder joints as well. So how it's going to work today, we've got 7 different moves. Each one we do for 50 seconds. You then get 10 seconds recovery as I show you the next move. And you can see on the left, the arrow that represents how long you're doing on each exercise. And on the right, you can see your 7-minute countdown clock. All right, so this move here is really lovely to boost your flexibility. We're just going to really increase your range of movement and also help reduce any stiffness as well. And well done. You just march it out. Let me show you the exercise number 2. This one, we're just going to do a knee lift and just imagine we're just drawing these little circles, crossover circles, or imagine you're polishing windows here. And if you can, try and keep your upper body nice and straight for me. So I'm really conditioning your core and just draw that knee up. If you find it too hard to do the arm movement, then you can simply just focus on just doing those knee lifts. And this one here is going to really strengthen those muscles, stabilization muscles through your legs. This is where it's really good for our balance as well. And as said, if you find it too much with the arms, you can just place your hands on your hips. That's good. And this one here is also going to really help to boost our circulation. So we're keeping your blood flowing efficiently, and this really helps reduce any swelling and fatigue. And well done. All right, so let's have a look at your next move. This one, we're going to step the foot across and behind and just do this arm swing. So it's a really lovely fluid movement here. Just get used to the legs and you can add in the arms. And these also, all these exercises really help to reduce our stress levels because we're using these gentle movements, and this really helps to lower cholesterol and really just helps with relaxation as well. That's good. And just tapping that foot from side to side. So this today is just 7 minutes. We are then going to do a quick 2-minute cool down stretch, but you can always find 7 minutes in a day. So on those days you're rushed for time, this is your 7-minute go-to workout. And you can also do this as a 7-day challenge. I've got all the details at the end of the video for you. And well done. All right, so just march it out. Let's have a look at your next move. This time now, all I want you to do is do a toe tap in front and then swing up one arm. So we're just alternating its opposite arm and just really extend that toe out in front. So we're really now working through the arms, through the legs. And if you're not already, definitely come and find me on Facebook. You'll find me there on Lucy Squad for motivation daily. That's it, and just keep tapping that foot in front. And just by doing 7 minutes at home, you don't even need to be in your workout gear, you could be in your pajamas, just means that you can stay consistent with your health journey. You haven't got to worry about commuting, you haven't got to worry about any costs because these are all free. That's good. And tap that foot, lift that arm. And well done. All right, just march it out. So let's have a look at your next move. This time we're going to tap one foot directly back and we're just going to open and close through the arms. You have your arms up and bent and now open and close. So now we're going to really strengthen through your glutes. We get a lovely hip flexor stretch there as well. And also just working through your posture, through your chest. And this is where exercise is suitable, whatever our age, whatever our ability. Our focus should always be about ourselves, what we can do, and movement as I always say, is medicine for our bodies. We always want to find the time to move more. Every time you move your body, you're lubricating your joints. We're helping with our joint health. We're boosting your heart health, your metabolic health. It's great for maintaining a healthy weight and also looking after our mental health. All right, well done. So let's have a look at the second to last move. This one, we're going to do a heel dig in front and just push those arms up. So push that heel in front, push those arms up, palms facing up. And these weight bearing exercises are also really good to help prevent bone loss and really help to just increase that bone strength as well. And as said, you can do this as a 7-day challenge. There's going to be this tick chart right there in the video, so you can take a photo and do let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing how you're getting on your health journey. That's it. And just push those arms up. That's good. And keeping that going. Keep those core tummy muscles pulled in tight. And this is also really going to help with our muscle tone. So we're really increasing muscle tissue. Right, so last move for this one, what I want you to do is just tap the foot out to the side and just do those single arm lifts again. But this time now, we're just taking that foot out laterally. So now I'm just working a little bit more through the outside of the glutes. We're also working laterally through those legs. And this is where it's just going to really help with your balance and your stability as well. And the great thing is with this, we've also looked after the most important muscle of all, your heart. We've really helped improve your cardiovascular health. And while you're doing this, just take a moment now to be so grateful that your body has allowed you to do this. I think we put too much pressure on the way we look. Instead, let's just be grateful that our bodies allow us to move. And all we're doing right now is conditioning and strengthening our bodies, making us stronger. And well done. So what I want you to do now, we're just going to slowly bring your heart rate back down. Then we're going to take a very quick water break before we do your 2-minute cool down stretch. So now we're going to stretch, and the first stretch we're going to do is focus on your calf stretch. So stretch 1 foot behind, hands are on that bent leg. And just have those toes pointing forwards. And this is just going to really help to reduce any stiffness. It really helps realign your body as well after exercise. So it's really key. It's going to improve your flexibility and your posture. Let's now change and take that to the opposite leg. And again, just feel that through the calf muscle. I don't know if you can hear, but while I'm doing this audio, you can hear all the birds singing this morning. And now let's come up and we're just going to take that to a hamstring stretch. Hands are on the bent leg, just feel that stretch through the back of the upper thigh. And it's so easy not to stretch, but when we don't stretch, that's when we can end up with tightness and injuries. So do always find the time to do these stretches. Let's now take that to the opposite leg. That's good. And again, just feel that stretch through there. Toes lifted. And now coming up to standing, we're just going to do this quadricep stretch. I'm showing 2 alternatives. If you find it uncomfortable holding the foot behind, you can do the one in the left-hand corner, where it's if you're just in a lunge position, but you push the hip forward. That's going to stretch a bit more the hip flexors, but it's still through that front of the thigh. So you've got 2 options here. And remember, by doing these exercises, we're encouraging healthy habits, because the more we exercise, the more we want to make healthier choices. And this is about being your best health. And just feel that stretch through the top of your upper back. And now let's take those arms behind. Feel that stretch through the front of your chest. Let's now do the arms, because this is the great thing today.
even though we've been doing all these kind of walking exercises, but these Tai Chi inspired moves really work through your upper body and your abs and your core as well. Let's just take that to the other arm.
So well done, there is your high five. Remember, what you and I have just done is invest in your future health, and remember, always say, yes I can be the best version of myself. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.
So you can take a screenshot or a picture of this, and as I said, just 7 minutes. We can all find 7 minutes for 7 days, and then let me know how amazing you feel at the end of those 7 days.